In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Outlook email address. Welcome to this easy-to-follow guide, where I'll walk you through the proper way to update your email address connected to your Microsoft Outlook account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll clearly understand how to make the change successfully and ensure your new email becomes your primary one. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Once you're there, sign in to your account using your current credentials. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select the option to access your Microsoft account. You will then be taken to your account dashboard. On this page, look toward the left-hand side and click on the section labeled Your Info. This will bring you to your personal account information page, where you can manage your details. Scroll down until you find the area that displays your account information, including your current email address. Here, you'll see an option to edit your account details. Click on that option to proceed to the next page, where you can manage how you sign in to Microsoft. At this stage, you'll see your existing email listed as the primary alias. While there may be an option to remove it, it cannot be deleted immediately because it is currently set as the main address. To change your Outlook email, you'll need to add a new one first. Look for the option to add a new email address and click on it. You'll then be prompted to add an alias. Choose the option to create a brand new email address and add it as an alias to your account. Enter a unique email name that hasn't been used before, then proceed to add it. If the name is available, it will be successfully added to your account. Now that you have two email addresses listed, the next step is to set the new one as your primary alias. Locate your newly created email and select the option to make it primary. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to verify your choice. Confirm the action to continue. Once completed, your new email address will become the primary one associated with your account. This means it will be used across your Microsoft services. Keep in mind that it may take up to 48 hours for the changes to fully reflect everywhere. If you no longer need your old email address, you can choose to remove it after the new one is set as primary. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.